Hey everyone!
In today's quick video, I'll show you how to enable earthquake alerts on your Samsung mobile. First, unlock your Samsung phone and open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Safety and Emergency. In some models, this might be under Security and Privacy or Notifications, so check there if you don't see it. Inside the Safety and Emergency menu, look for Wireless Emergency Alerts or Emergency Alerts. Open it, and you'll see options like Severe Threat Alerts, Amber Alerts, and Earthquake Alerts. To enable earthquake alerts, simply turn on the toggle next to Earthquake Alerts or Severe Threats. This allows your Samsung phone to notify you instantly during an earthquake emergency. And that's it. Your Samsung mobile is now ready to alert you during earthquakes. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay safe.